Who's ready for some pheasant hunting? We're heading up north, Mayo, Michigan, loading up the Jeep. Get out there. So, when you see us next, we will be afield. Let's go. Who needs an air freshener when you got a box of Winchester double A's? We need to hang it. We should hook it up.
Can you believe last time we were here? 5 years ago.
Was it?
4 or 5 years ago. Time flies when you're having fun, but you just gotta seize the moment.
Time flies when you have a quarter box of shells to hit your limit. Let's go. Hell of a day already. Now we need to go see if we can't do some good and harvest some dinner. Get him! Good shot, man. Uh-oh. Boom. Hot dog. Thank you.
Can't get them all.
Oh, no. That's good.
You miss 100% of the shots you don't take.
It's
That's
true.
a fact.
All right. Yeah. We did some work out in the field. We got, what did we get? 6 pheasant and a chucker out in the day today. I mean, perfect day, and it's always good to be behind dogs in the field. So we're stoked. We're gonna clean them up, grill them up for dinner. Can't wait to get back out here.